from the HomeStyle Honey. Today I'm just bringing you some fall vibes and a little inspiration. It is late October by the time we finally got this video out, but I decorated a little while ago. We're deep in the throes of a remodel, so it is wild and crazy going on in our house. So we just decorated the exterior, but I love just using what nature provides in the garden and in the garden of other family members, just to add a little touch. So come see what we've done. Thanks so much for watching, friends. Please tell me in the comments what you loved. I'd also love to hear what other kinds of content you want to see. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.